Hello students. Today let's learn how to convert an infix expression to postfix expression. In the last class you have studied stack, you have understood stack. Now conversion of infix expression to postfix expression is an application of stack. So before we actually implement the program for converting the infix expression to postfix expression, we should first learn how to convert it on the paper, that is using the paper and the pen method. So let me say that there are three different types of expressions. One is the infix expression. So this infix expression is what we always write. So we write an expression like a plus b. The operator is in between the two operands. So this is an infix expression. Then we have a prefix expression where we write plus ab. Here the operator is before the two operands. It is in the pre-position, that is prefix expression. Then we have the postfix expression where we write ab plus, that is plus comes after the two operands. So based on the position of these operators, plus where it is placed, based on that we call the expression as an infix expression, prefix expression or the postfix expression. Now why should we convert the infix expression to the postfix expression? So that is how the computer evaluates the expression. So you all know how to evaluate the expressions. We also have studied how the computer program evaluates our expression. So when you write a plus b star c, we know that first the multiplication is done, then the result of that is added with a. That is, the computer converts your infix expression to postfix expression and then it evaluates it. So we have to know how the expression is converted from infix expression to postfix expression. So first we'll learn it using the paper and the pen method. Of course, I use the board and the pen method. Let's see the expression. So I consider one expression a plus b star c. Let us say this is the expression given, a plus b star c. So when we want to convert this, first we have to parenthesize this based on the precedence of operators. So for the example, we are considering only addition, subtraction, multiplication and division operations. So we will consider only these four operations. Now here in this expression I have plus and star. So among this, what gets evaluated first? So we know that multiplication has higher precedence than addition. So parenthesize the expression b star c. Now there is only one operator outside this. Now start converting this to the postfix form. So how do we convert? We start converting it from the innermost parenthesis. So here we have only one parenthesis. So first convert this a plus bc star. So now we have converted b star c to bc star. So this is converted from infix to the postfix form. Now we have one more operator to convert, that is the plus operator. So for the plus operator there are two operands. One is a, the other one is bc star. That is, whatever result you get after multiplying b and c, that product will be adding with a. So we have to convert it by writing the first operand, then the second operand, then we have to write plus. That is, we write a, then we write bc star, then you write plus. So we have converted this infix expression to postfix expression. Remember, postfix expressions do not have parenthesis. In the postfix expression, there will be no parenthesis. So a plus b star c is converted to abc star plus. So what you have to observe here is that in the infix expression and also in the postfix expression, the order of operands is the same. Order of the operands do not change. Here you have A, B, C. Here also you have A, B, C. Only the place of the operators change. So this is how we have converted infix expression to postfix expression. Now let me take another example and solve it. So now I will take the expression as A star B plus C. Now the expression is A star B plus C. Now how do we convert this? Again we have to first parenthesize the expression. So among these two, multiplication has a higher precedence. So parenthesize this first. Then the next operand is plus. Of course that's the only one. You can parenthesize this, or since it's the last one you may not. Now start converting it to the postfix form from the innermost parenthesis. So innermost we have is A, B star, then plus C. So now we have converted this to this. That is A star B is converted to AB star. Now you have to convert the plus operator. So for the addition, the first operand is AB star, the second operand is C, then write plus. Now this is the postfix form of A star B plus C. So now again you consider, you observe that A, B, C is the order of operands in the prefix expression, and in the postfix expressions also it is A, B and C. Only the position of the operators change. Okay. Now when you wrote the first example, it was A plus B star C. The expression was different, and here it is A, B star C plus. So it depends on the order of operators we write and how they get evaluated based on the precedence of operators. Now let's take a little bigger example and let's see how this gets converted. Now I will take the expression A plus it is A plus B slash D minus C. Okay, this is the expression we are going to consider now. Now we have to parenthesize the expression. So what are the operators we have? We have plus, slash and minus. We know that addition and subtraction have the same precedence, but division has higher precedence than addition and subtraction. So parenthesize this. So parenthesize this as B slash D. Now this is the first operator which gets executed. Then after this we have two more operators, plus and minus. Always the expression is evaluated from left to right. Though here plus and minus, they both have the same precedence, the expression is evaluated from left to right. So after this division is done, the A, value of A is added with the result of B slash D. Then this result minus C. That is how it gets evaluated. So this is the, okay, I'll write the parenthesis in a different, so I will write the flower brackets. So now we have to start converting it from the innermost parenthesis. So now what do we have in the innermost parenthesis? We have, it is A plus, then innermost parenthesis is B slash D. So we write B, D slash. Now this is converted B, D slash. So now this is converted to the postfix form. Now we have to convert the next innermost parenthesis. So the next innermost parenthesis is A plus BD star. So now this has to be converted. So now you have A is the first operator for addition. Then the second operator is BD slash is the second operator. Write the operator. Now this is one parenthesis, then this is the other one, then minus C. So now we have converted this also to the postfix form. Now we have minus to be converted. For the subtraction, this is the first operand, and C is the second operand. So write the first operand first. It is A, B, D slash plus, then the second operand is C, then write minus. I have removed all the parentheses. So this is the postfix form of this expression. So based on the precedence of operators, you should be able to convert any given infix expression to the postfix expression form. So in this example, again I had only 3 operators: plus, star and minus. I'll take one more example with more number of operators and show you how it works. Then I'll give you some more expressions where you have to convert and check whether you can convert or not. And after conversion, you have to send the results to me through WhatsApp. Now I'll take a bigger expression. So I'll take it as A plus C slash B. I'll take it as A, B, C in that order. So A plus B slash C slash D multiplied by E. I'll use minus F. Okay, we have all the operators in this expression. You write the expression of your choice and start converting it. Okay, in this expression, I have taken all the operators. So we have plus, slash, that is division, multiplication and subtraction. So we have all of this. Now we have to first parenthesize the expression. Now among this, scan from left to right, which operator gets converted first, that is which operator will get executed in the compiler in your computer first. So that we have to parenthesize. So among all this, slash and multiplication, that is division and multiplication, have higher precedence, then addition and subtraction have lower precedence. So first we have to convert all the division and multiplication in the order it appears from left to right. I am repeating this. You have to convert it from the order from the left to right in the order it appears in the expression. So here I'll parenthesize this. So first it is A slash B. Okay, it is B slash C. Now I have parenthesized that. Then it is the whole result of this slash D. That is, this result is divided by D. I'll write a square bracket. Now I have multiplication. So this result is multiplied with E. I will write this. Yeah. Now all the multiplication and division we have converted. We have subtraction, addition and subtraction. Yeah, we have addition and subtraction. Now what happens? In the order from left to right. So first we have addition. So A will be added with the result of this. Then that result minus F. So we have to write A plus this. Then finally the whole result minus F. Now let's start converting it from the innermost parenthesis. So the innermost parenthesis is, we have a parenthesis, it is B slash D. So we have to convert this to BC star. Now BC slash. So now we have converted BC slash. So this has been converted from infix to postfix. Now the next innermost parenthesis is this divided by D. So in the next step we will be converting this to the postfix form. So it is A plus, this expression has to be converted. That is, for this division, the first operand is BC slash. The second operand is D. Then write a slash. So now this has been converted. This part has been converted to postfix form. then it is star E slash. Yeah, now this is converted. Now, which is the next one we have to convert? The next innermost parenthesis is for multiplication. So write this A plus. For the multiplication, this is one operand. So write the first operand, it is BC slash D slash. The second operand is E. Then write the operator. Yeah, now I have converted this part. I have converted this part to the postfix form. Now I am left with addition and subtraction. So now we have to convert addition to the postfix form. So for addition, A is the first operator, then the second operator is this whole part. So write the whole part. It is BC slash D slash E star. So then this is the second operator, write plus here. So now you have converted this to the postfix form. Now you have minus F. So now we have to convert F. So for that I'll just use the same one. You have to write one more step. So for converting this to minus, so write F then minus, because for subtraction this is first operator and F is the second operator. So we'll be performing all this, then F minus. So now this infix expression is converted to this postfix form. I'll be giving you, or I'll be posting some of the postfix expressions to you. You solve them and you practice. Because conversion of this infix expression to postfix expression is a very important application of stack. And you have one term in which you'll be giving infix expression as an input and the output should be a postfix expression. And for converting this, we will be using stack. So first implement stack, practice stack, and that stack program will be a part of this program. Okay, so go through this. If you have any doubts, you can contact me. Thank you.